Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to test out and use, and I'll give my review of this Amazon Basics one-port USB wall charger. And this wall charger has a spot to plug in a USB-A. And that's what I needed. So I'm going to test it out on a ring light that I bought. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. And whatever you're using the wall charger for, make sure that it's compatible before you use it. Okay, so I'm going to open this up. Okay. And with the packaging, make sure that you recycle what you can, and what you can't recycle, make sure that you dispose of properly. Okay, so here's the wall charger. And here is the information that's included with this wall charger, so make sure that you read through all of this information before you use the wall charger. Okay, so my first impressions of this wall charger is that this looks like a nice wall charger. Here's the side where the USB-A can plug into, and then this part here. And just be careful when you do this because there are pinch points, but the plug part folds down like this. And then same thing when you fold it up, be careful because there are pinch points. But when you do fold this up, it's nice too, just because it can be stored away. You know, like I like that feature that this part folds, out and then back in. So I'm just going to put this part back out. And you just, want to make sure that it's, all the way out and secured into place. Okay, so here's a close-up of the wall charger. And it's kind of hard to see, but right in the middle there, it does say Amazon Basics. It's just kind of hard to pick it up. But yeah, it's right there. You can kind of see it. And then here's this side. Here's this side. Here's this side. Here's this side. And here's this side. Okay, so this ring light is powered with this cable here, which has USB-A right here. And I needed to be able to plug this ring light into a wall outlet. That's why I bought this Amazon Basics wall charger. And when you plug the USB-A cable into the wall charger, just make sure that you plug it in the correct direction. And you want to also make sure that whatever it is that you're plugging in is turned off. Okay, so I'm just going to plug in the USB-A into the wall charger. And you just want to make sure that the USB-A cable is secured all the way into place in the wall charger. Okay, I'm going to plug this in now, and then we'll test out if the ring light works. And there's a light above where the USB-A cable is, letting us know that, the power is on to the wall charger. Okay, I can already see that there's power to the ring light because there is a blue light right here that's on the ring light. But I'm just going to turn the ring light on. And there we go. So we can see that this wall charger is working with this ring light to be able to power it. So this is great. So here is what I think about this wall charger. I'm going to turn off the ring light. And let me unplug the wall charger and I'll give my review of it. Okay guys, so here is my review of this Amazon Basics wall charger. I like this. I like the size of it. I think it is a good size. I think it looks nice. I also like that the plugs right here are able to fold, into the wall charger. And when you do this, be careful because there are pinch points. But I do like this feature. And I like that because then if I need to store this away, it's just, I don't have those plugs sticking out. So, and most importantly for me, this wall charger works for what I need it to work for. So that's important as well. With the light here above the USB-A, I personally don't like that. And because I don't like ghost light type things that are just on and I don't feel like they need to be on. It's just wasting energy for, at least for me, in my opinion, no reason. So I don't like that. I wish it didn't have it. For me, I don't need it. So, but other than that, this is, this is great. This wall charger works for what I need it to work for. And I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And if you have the time, check out these other great videos.